If you want to become young age, then keep practice Nauli. So most of the diseases comes from our abdomen. If our digestive system is good, then everything is okay. So let's practice Nauli. How to do this practice? So both legs hip width apart. In the beginning, we are going to practice middle Nauli like this. Deep breathe in, exhale completely. At first do Uddiyana Bandha, move your abdomen inside and then slowly move your abdomen forward and try to move your abdomen right, middle, left, then left, middle, right like this way and try to make a circle. Slowly move your abdomen inside and come back. So have you seen clearly? We can do right, middle and left. Can practice like this way. And similarly, left, middle and right side. So like this, we can practice. So we just try to use our hands. See the hands. Press your hands on your thighs and try to move your abdomen like this way. Right, middle, left, and you can do continue. And after doing this position, then you can reverse order left, middle, right like this way. Slowly come back, breathe in. So, do you get it how I want to say? So, you have to press your hands on your thighs. If you press your hands, then you can do it easily, so fastly. Take a deep inhale. Exhale completely. So, move your abdomen inside. Slowly release your abdomen and try to roll and make a circle. So like this way. If you practice good, then you can do faster like this way. But in the beginning you can't do like this way, but later on you can do like this way. You can do more faster. Slowly come back and stand up. So this practice is so helpful for our abdomen. If you keep practice, then so our abdomen have many things like our small intestine, big intestine. So if you do practice, then it will circulate, and when it will circulate, then all the negative things, that means poison things, it will release. So if we keep practice this way, so at first sitting position, so if we keep practice this way, then it will also help to our digestive system, and also we can reduce our weight. And if you keep practice like this way, we can get the young age. So young age is so important, because if we practice these things, then we can reduce all those kind of problems. So in this video, I just explain how to do this position. So from next video, I will explain for beginner how to start this practice. Namaste.